What's up, everybody? It's Coach D here, and today is day 2 for my $10 challenge, taking $10 all the way up to 65K. I know it sounds unbelievable, but it's very possible, especially if you know what you're doing. Now, today I woke up at 5, really around 4 o'clock in the morning. I get up early to trade the London session, and if London don't give me what I want, I'll stay up for New York and take the New York session until I get my 20 pips. Well, it only took me like an hour to get my pips on the Euro GBP. I took a sell and got 28 pips out of it. And I put my total for today up to $21. So it only took 1 hour to get my 20 pips in dip today. I got a total of 28 pips altogether, taking my balance up to $21. And if you look at my little sheet at number 15, on day 15, it say I should be up to $20.81. So I'm 15 days ahead. I'm pretty much 15 days ahead of my journey. So I expect to continue my journey and stay ahead of the game and continue building this account. As you see, it's already doubled. If you guys want to learn how to do this, just contact me. Let's get it popping. Forex is easy once you learn to do it. You have to be patient and just get your 20 pips and dip. Have a great day.